What if managing your money did not require you at all? Not some vague future idea, not a distant technology promise, but something already beginning, quietly, behind the scenes, redefining the very way financial systems operate now. For decades, every financial decision, from buying stocks to moving savings, has depended on human attention. You check accounts, track performance, make choices manually, and every choice had human delay, human emotion, and human error. But in the last few years, something fundamental has shifted. Artificial intelligence, once a tool that only talked or explained, has learned to act. This new wave of intelligence is not about answering questions. It's about making decisions and executing them without constant human supervision. IBM. This is the rise of autonomous AI financial agents. Not chatbots, not automated dashboards, but systems that observe, analyze, adapt, and act all on their own. Imagine giving your savings a digital guardian that never sleeps, a system that watches global yield environments, interest rates, money flows, and moves capital the moment a better opportunity appears automatically. Every night, while you sleep, without instruction, without hesitation. Imagine a digital strategist watching market news worldwide, processing sentiment changes, and executing trades in seconds before any human even finishes reading the headline. This is not theory. This is emerging practice. Holder. These AI agents blend large language models, machine learning, data streaming, and real-time execution capabilities. They plan, adapt, and respond like a human strategist, but at machine speed and scale. IBM traditional. AI could help you interpret numbers, but autonomous agents take action. They don't wait for human commands. They act based on predefined goals and evolving data. Gartner predicts that within a few years, enterprise systems will include agentic AI in a significant portion of software applications, continuously making decisions without constant human prompts. IBM. These systems are already being tested in real financial environments, from trading floors to back-office processes, from risk monitoring to automated auditing, from compliance checks to real-time financial reporting, all without human operators touching the keyboard. PwC. In trading, autonomous agents monitor multiple markets simultaneously. They adapt to price movements. They react faster than human traders could ever respond. This creates a new era where speed and continuous decision power matter more than traditional analysis. In banking operations, AI agents validate transactions, identify anomalies, automate compliance checks, and reduce the overwhelming workload that once slowed down entire teams. IBM. In auditing and finance reporting, these systems collect, verify, and analyze data in real time, highlighting inconsistencies before human teams even notice. IBM. But this shift isn't just about automation, it's about transformation. When humans operated financial systems, decisions were periodic, reactive, and limited by time and attention. Autonomous agents operate continuously, proactively scanning conditions, reacting instantly, adapting to change in real time. This drives a new level of efficiency no human team could match. Because finance is not static, it never pauses, it flows constantly, around the clock, across global markets. AI agents are the first systems capable of keeping pace with this reality. In simple terms, they are digital financial workers, always alert, always processing, always acting. And as these systems improve, they will do more than automate old tasks. They will redefine what finance means. Predictive analytics becomes real-time optimization. Manual reconciliation becomes autonomous verification. Reactive strategies become continuous response architectures. This shift brings enormous benefits, but also new questions. If financial systems can act without human intervention, Who defines their objectives? Who supervises them? Who ensures they operate with accountability and safety? Because with great autonomy comes great responsibility. Systems that execute tasks independently must be governed with transparency, audit trails, ethical boundaries, and robust safeguards to ensure they serve humans, not replace human oversight entirely. IBM industry leaders are already thinking about this, not only in terms of automation, but in terms of governance frameworks that ensure autonomous agents remain reliable, explainable, and compliant with regulations. IBM. We are still in the early stage, but the direction is clear. AI agents are not just tools. They are becoming active participants in financial ecosystems, networks of collaborators, each with its own role, some tracking compliance, some optimizing capital flows, some managing risk, others automating reporting, all working together in intelligent workflows. PwC. Soon, finance teams won't be competing with their peers. They'll be competing with agents, operating non-stop, reacting instantly, learning and adapting as market conditions change. And this new paradigm is not limited to big institutions. Even individual investors will eventually have access to digital financial agents, capable of guiding strategies, reallocating capital, optimizing yields, and executing decisions to align with growth objectives, all autonomously. Super AGI. It's a democratization of financial capability that was once exclusive to hedge funds and family offices. But now, anyone with access to the right systems can participate in this autonomous future. Still, early adoption matters. Just like the first people who adopted the internet before it became mainstream, those who understand and adopt autonomous finance early will have more time to learn, more time to adapt, and more time to position themselves ahead of the majority. Because once these systems become standard, manual finance management will feel as outdated as using a rotary phone in a smartphone world. Change won't wait for comfort. It will pass comfort by in silence until the world suddenly realizes it's already happening. The rise of autonomous AI financial agents is not a future idea. It's unfolding right now. And if you want to stay informed about this shift, if you want to understand how AI agents are reshaping the very structure of finance, and if you want to position yourself ahead of global systemic change, subscribe to Elite Wealth Academy, where we decode modern finance, explore the forces behind capital flows, and help you see where the future of wealth is heading before it becomes obvious to everyone else.